In this video I'm going to be showing you the first of several ways of drawing the line from a line equation, based on a line equation. Our example here is the line with equation y equals minus 2/3 x plus 1. The first thing we know is, we know a little bit about this form. We know, so since y is minus 2/3 x plus 1, we know therefore that our slope is negative 2/3 and our y-intercept is 1 based on this. Y equals mx plus c, so y equals, there is our slope, there is our y-intercept. So in order to draw a line, we need to find 2 points in which to connect with a straight line, and we need to use this formula or use information from this formula in order to find those lines. The very first point we can use is our y-intercept. We know it's a point, we know that's where the line cuts the y-axis, and it cuts the y-axis at positive 1. So straight away we can draw our first line. We can plot our first line here. Y-intercept 1, so our coordinates for that is 0, 1. In this method, we use the slope to find the location of another point. In this case, since our slope is negative 2/3, and remembering that slope is rise over run, in this case it's negative 2/3. So we have a negative. You can either choose with this fraction whether you want the numerator to be negative or the denominator to be negative. So we can either write minus 2/3 as negative 2 on 3, or 2 on negative 3, which, it's really just a matter of preference. Let's take this one. So from this we know, since rise over run, so we know that our rise is negative 2 and our run is 3. Great, so we know what we can do. So we begin here at our y-intercept, and the first thing we do is we apply our rise. So we walk along the y-axis by our rise. In this case it's negative 2, so we're actually going down, and we want to go down by 2. 1, 2. That brings us to here. Now we apply our run. In this case it's positive 3. So we're going in this direction, and we want to count along in the x direction by 3 from this point. 1, 2, 3. And at the end of that, so we've applied our rise, we've then applied our run, and that's given us the location of our second point, which is at x coordinate 3, y coordinate negative 1. And once we have that, now we can just we draw our line which connects these 2 points. I don't have a ruler in this, so I'm just going to see how this goes. Oof. Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, okay, you get the idea. So because this is an indefinite line, because it's based on a formula that has no bounds, we need to put our arrows on the end. And there you have it.